Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. KOMUEE 10 packs 30-ounce glass meal prep containers, glass food storage containers with lids, airtight glass lunch bento boxes, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, gray. Glass meal prep containers 10 packs, buying our versatile glass container sets, 10 lids and 10 containers, size, 30 ounces, you'll have a set of 10 food storage containers. Ideal for both meal prepping and storing leftovers, snacks, using for gym, office lunches, travel, picnics and more. Borosilicate glass. Our glass meal prep containers are made of premium borosilicate glass, which is stronger than cheaper glass food storage containers, can go straight from the refrigerator to the microwave or oven to the table. Food grade, convenient to use and easy to take care of, as these glass storage containers can be used in the microwave, freezer, dishwasher, and oven. Airtight snap-locking lids. KOMUEE glass food storage containers use snap-lock lids that comes with silicone seals to ensure your meal prep food will last much longer than normal plastic food storage containers, prevent the food from spilling. These lids are easy to open, shut and will stop leaking. Thanks for watching and subscribe.